Ashita, there was one instance where Coffee Bean Studio appeared on MTV, right? So share with us about that.
So I was once talking to one of my friends. Again, this is around 2012, 12-13. I was talking to my friends and I was just telling them कि यार I don't know ये बड़े बड़े brands कैसे मिलते हैं लोगों को. I don't know how to approach them. I'm sitting here in Nagpur and I want to work for say a big brand like MTV. So he was like, hey, why don't you do one thing? Why don't you just go to LinkedIn and try and contact MTV if that's what you want? Maybe they'll respond and they'll give you. And I was like, अच्छा ऐसा होता? And I said, चलो ठीक है. So I just went to LinkedIn and I searched for MTV. I didn't even know which department to actually approach.
Yeah,
But I
that is
found
the
somebody.
first thing that every entrepreneur feels like कि अब ये किसको approach करना है, कैसे approach करना है.
Yeah, and I did not know. So, but I found someone and I said, कि चलो, let me send this person a message. And I sent this guy a message saying that we are a new company and we want to create a New Year, Christmas and New Year wish for MTV. And if you give us an opportunity, that would be great. And we don't even want money for it. So he was like, okay. He replied back and said, okay, what do you have in mind? So I told him that, I want to create a video in which we want 3 different mediums to be incorporated in one video. That is live shoots, miniature and animation. So these 3 mediums in one video. So he got a little excited and he said, okay, let's try. And he just told me that you have I spoke I think in October. And he said, okay, then will you be able to deliver us before Christmas? I said, yes. मैंने तो बोल दिया, yes. और फिर मैंने आके अनिकेत को बताया कि अनिकेत मैंने ऐसा बोल दिया. अनिकेत was like, क्या? अब मैं 2 महीने में कैसे करूँ ये 3 चीज़? I said, मुझे नहीं पता है, मुझे MTV का अपने इस पे प्रोफाइल पे लोगो चाहिए है. I don't know. We'll have to do it. So we also have another friend who's a cameraman. His name is Sameer, and all 3 of us sat together and we were like, अब miniature कहाँ से बनवाएं? फिर concept ऐसा है, and everybody was at that time we were just 3 of us doing this thing, and we just didn't know anything, but somehow everything fell in place, and we created that film, and luckily again. It came out well. So the MTV guy told me, okay, now what we'll do is, since you have just written that MTV wishes its viewers, instead you write MTV and Coffee Bean Studio wishes, and we will promote it on MTV.
Wow.
And I was like completely bowled off because they never do that. Never. Because they will never ask a brand to put their name with MTV. That was a big deal for us because we were just 1.5 years old. And on the top of it, that was done. Then Ran Vijay, RJ Ran Vijay, if you know about him. Vijay Ran Vijay. It was Vijay Ran Vijay at that time. And they made him promote the video. So his wishes, whenever he was sending Christmas and New Year wishes to his family, friends, viewers, anybody, he would send that video. Plus on MTV it would come. So that complete experience was an amazing experience.
And like what I can summarize from this is, don't shy out from reaching out to people, क्योंकि अगर आप reach out ही नहीं करोगे तो business मिलने की या आपकी growth होने की possibility बहुत कम है. Also, you've put in a very important point that do reach out via LinkedIn. क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा the other person will basically say no, we are not interested, right? But what if they say yes? You get an opportunity, right? So LinkedIn is a go-to platform for reaching out to business owners and decision makers who could really help you with your brand, right?
Truly, I completely believe LinkedIn is my true love, I would say. You'll find me very, very active on LinkedIn. You won't find me very active on Instagram or Facebook. But LinkedIn is something I truly believe that it's a very professional platform. And what is the max that can happen? Somebody won't respond to you. Somebody will say, no, I don't need your services. That is the max that can happen. But out of 100 people, even if 2 people give you some work, I think it's a good deal. And you should. And nothing will happen unless you ask for it. Till today I believe in it. It's been 14 years since Coffee Bean Studio started. Even today, I ask for work. I call up companies and I say, I am so and so, this is what I have done, and I would love to come and meet you. They would say, no, I actually, we don't need a film. I said, it's okay, don't make a film, just meet me. Meet me, have a look at my work, and whenever, today, a year after, maybe 5 years after, if you need, you let me know. But everything happens if you ask. That is one thing that I have learned.
Great,
Again, the
great.
hard way.
That's a very good insight, especially for budding entrepreneurs who feel a little shy about reaching out, um, especially on LinkedIn. So this is what, like, don't get afraid. Just reach out to people. Somebody will respond. कोई ना कोई तो जवाब देगा ही जरूर.
Definitely, definitely.